Hi, it's Ray from Pro Shaper Sheet Metal, and this is Ray Shalene's Pro Shaper Workshop. And today we're talking about the Pro Shaper new tube frame English wheel. And this is the Deluxe frame plan kit. This is all the drawings you'll get in the Deluxe kit. And also these two nice aluminum nameplates. You can glue them on or screw them on. These are the individual drawings you'll get. These are the angles of the legs. This is the front leg, and these are the rear leg angles, and it gives you the length there. These are all actual size and angles, so you can copy all this. And these are the foot pads. This is the rear foot pad, and this is half of the front foot pad. And you can have those cut out, or you can cut them out yourself. Here's the lifting ring that gets welded in at the top. The lifting ring gets welded in right here. You'll see it in a minute. And this is the mount pad for the front leg. And these are the all the block off covers for where the tubes are going to be open, so you can close all the tubes up. And this is the bolt pattern here that goes on the front leading edge of both the top and bottom for the adjuster and the lower yoke assembly. Now, how you can use this is, in this case I have some 040 aluminum strips that I cut 4 inches wide, and I cut them longer and then made them fit the drawing like this. And the drawing is all numbered, so this is a number 4 template. Now you can take that template and that'll give you the exact size of what you have to cut out of the 4-inch tubing. So you can make a paper template off of this master drawing, label them all with the numbers, cut all your pieces, and then you just have to put it on a flat bench and start welding it up. And you can use this as a reference for where the welding should be, because whenever you weld, it'll move. If you don't have a way of clamping it or confining it, it'll move, but you can always check with the measurements, the actual measurements here. This is full scale. Everything is full scale. So it makes it very easy to make the plans. So now I'm going to show you where we're at on our English wheel that Frank's been getting prepped for paint. So we'll take a look at that. Okay, this is the prototype English wheel with made out of the 4-inch square tubing, and Frank, my volunteer, has been doing it. And this week he's finished grinding all the wells. Some of them were MIG, some of them were TIG, and he's following up the finished grinding with a little orbital deep detail sand that I like that came from Harbor Freight. Does a great job of smoothing stuff like this out nice with 80 paper. And Frank also has all the attachment points for the legs here. The 5/16 18 threads, I believe, here. And there's attachment points also underneath here for the front leg. And these are the attachment points here for the upper yoke and the lower yoke. And all those bolt patterns and everything come with the Deluxe plan for the English wheel when you buy the Deluxe plan. So this is going to get all bondoed up and smooth and then painted with hammer finish Rust-Oleum black. And hopefully sometime next week we'll get it all done except for attaching the yokes and the bottom adjuster. But the frame will be finished. And when Frank gets this frame finished, the first thing we're going to do is right away start on the second one. And the second one will be built on camera. Every step we're going to try to film every step so that it becomes very easy for anybody that wants to build one of these to do it at home also. And we'll show, like I mentioned before, we'll show the different ways you can cut all these joints, and we'll try to simplify it as much as possible. So as I said earlier in another video, I'm going to try to do these tool bills as much as possible. And if you want to continue to see this great content, you can support the channel by purchasing the plans. You can also get a t-shirt. They're available right on every video. On the bottom of the video there's a link to Teespring, and there's several different t-shirts that we sell. So thanks for watching. We hope to keep our content quality high. We're expanding as much as possible, but we need your support. Thank you very much. It's Ray Chalene.